A multi-agency probe is to be launched into the possible dangers of a planned cemetery expansion in St. Catherine. The operators of Dovecote Memorial Park have outlined plans for an expansion of its burial ground as it is fast approaching its capacity. But residents of neighboring communities as well as councillors of the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation are questioning the health effect and other implications of the move. At the current rate of burials at Dovecote in St. Catherine, it won't be long before the current cemetery space is used up. That's why the cemetery operators are planning and moving ahead with this expansion. But at the recent Municipal Corporation meeting, Deputy Mayor and Councillor for the Ginger Ridge Division, Ralston Wilson, raised concerns.
I don't know what has been done through the health office, but I've seen signs of them putting up signs establishing how the area will be looking after the burial started.
The Deputy Mayor questioned if any approval for the expansion was given, as well as if the health implications have been taken into consideration.
I am fighting this issue, and I'm asking all 40, including yourself, make 41, to help me to prevent Dovecote from establishing another burial site.
Chairman of the Municipal Corporation, Norman Scott, says he has also heard grumblings from residents about the proximity to the groundwater source, noise pollution from ongoing construction, and potential flooding.
The citizens of Green Acres are up in arms with an expansion of, I'm not certain if it is Dovecote or it is Meadows, or it is both. But the citizens are up in arms. I've not gotten any formal communication regarding the issue.
The chairman has instructed the health department to spearhead a probe into the concerns raised.
It's going to involve the other agencies, NEPA, the WRA, which is the Water Resource Authority, and also the NWA, National Works Agency.
The findings are to be presented to the corporation and is expected to influence if and how the cemetery expansion project will proceed.